Hello students, in the last class we have discussed about the principle of mathematical induction. In today's class we'll solve various questions based on mathematical induction. So let's start. Look at our first question, that is 1 square plus 2 square up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. But me कही पार square of n natural numbers equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. तो आम स्टेटमेंट ये कौन है गला? ये है गला हमारा pn. जो स्टेटमेंट आमे नो pn है गला 1 square plus 2 square up to n square equals to this. So first we have to check that whether our p1 is true or not. p1 केते हबो? p1 केते हबो 1 square. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे कोन रहिला 1 square. राइट हैंड साइड रे कोन रहिबो हमरा? राइट हैंड साइड रे हमें चेक करिबा n equals to 1 ही जिबो. त माने 1 into 1 plus 1 2 into 2n plus 1 3 divided by 6. So this is equals to 1. Left hand side equals to 1. So our p1 is true. So 8 हमारा step. First we have to check whether p1 is true. Then we assume let's pk is true. The pk true हवा पाई हमारा कौन हवा pk? That means pk is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to k square equals to k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 divided by 6. This statement is true बोली हमें assume कलु. तापरे हमको proof करिया को पड़िबा p k plus 1 is true. p k plus 1 is true माने कौन है परे p k plus 1? We have to prove that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to k square plus k plus 1 square equal to k plus 1 into n plus 1 जगह रे k plus 1 plus 1 बा 2k k plus 2 हमें कही परिबा. अब एठी 2k plus 1 जगह रे 2 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 6. We have to prove that this equals to this. राइट हैंड साइड को हमें एमती भी एक्सप्रेस कर परिबा k plus 1 into k plus 2 into 2k plus 3 divided by 6. So what is our LHS now? This is our LHS and we know the value up to this portion. So now LHS equals to up to k square जाए आमे वैल्यू तार जानी चु. k square जाए वैल्यू कौन हमारा k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 divided by 6. ता संगरे आमर एठी रहिला गोटे एक्स्ट्रा k plus 1 रा whole square. So if we'll add this, what we'll get? It will be like this k into k plus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus 6k plus 1 whole square divided by 6. एबे हमें दीटा जाकरू k plus 1 को कॉमन नहीं जाई परिबा. कॉमन नेले हमको कौन मिलिबा? By taking k plus 1 common will get k into 2k plus 1 plus एठो हमको 6 आउ k plus 1 मिलिबा. 6 k plus 1 whole divided by 6. आउ आमे को मल्टीप्लाई करिबा आउ जदी ऐड करिबा हमको कौन पाइबा हमें k plus 1 into 2k square plus k आउ एठी 6k plus 6 ताको ऐड कले हमें पाइबा 2k square plus 7k plus 6. this divided by 6 आउ ये 2k square plus 7k plus 6 जदि आमे factorize करिबा हमकु कोन मिलिबा k plus 1 into 2k square plus आमे आको 4k आउ 3k रे convert करि परिबा convert करकी factorize कले will get 2k plus 3 into k plus 2 divided by 6 which is equal to our RHS. So from this proof we can say that our pk plus 1 is true. When pk plus 1 is true? Whenever pk is true. कारण pk true नहीं छु बोली आमे ए टर्म को डायरेक्ट एटा लिखि पारलु. So as per principle of mathematical induction, if pk is true and pk plus 1 is true, then pn is true. And we have proved this statement is true. Now look at the next question. This is another type of question. 7 into 5 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 2 to the power 3n plus 1 is divisible by 17 for every natural number n greater than equals to 1. माने n 1 रू n terms जाए आमे जदि n बदलले से term नबा ताहले जो हमको sum टी मिलिबो first और second term रा that will be divisible by 17. ता हम statement कौन लिखि परिबा में हम statement हबा pn such that 7 into 5 to the power 2n minus 1 plus 2 to the power 3n plus 1 equal to केते हबा divisible by 17 देछि तमाने हमें ताको 17 m हिसाब रे एक्सप्रेस करि परिबा. divisible by 17 माने 17 मल्टीप्लाई हेछि m रा वैल्यू जहाले भी ये 17 रे divisible हबा. त फर्स्ट स्टेप हमर कोन फर्स्ट स्टेप होछि आमे चेक करिबा whether our p1 is true or not. p1 जतबळे नेलु आमे हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कोन हि जिबा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हबा 7 into 5 to the power 2 into 1 minus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into 1 plus 1. तो ये केते हला हमरा 5 to the power 2 minus 1 माने 5 हला तो 35 हे गला फर्स्ट टर्म टा. सेकंड केते 2 to the power 3 into 1 माने 3 plus 1 4 2 to the power 4 that means 16. So 35 plus 16 equals to 51 and we know 51 is divisible by 17. This equals to 17 into 3. So p1 is true. हमें प्रूफ कर देलु p1 होछि हमरा true. ता नेक्स्ट स्टेप हमें कोन करिबा नेक्स्ट स्टेप लेट्स assume let's pk is true. So what is pk? pk equals to 7 into 5 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 2 to the power 3k plus 1 equals to 17m. So we know this statement is true. We have to prove that pk plus 1 is true. pk plus 1 will be equal to 7 into 5 to the power 2 into k plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 to the power 3 into k plus 1 plus 1. This equals to 17m. Implies that aku jodi ame solve kariba 2k plus 2 minus 1 so 7 into 5 to the power 2k minus 1 plus 2 to the power 3k plus 3 plus 1 3k plus 4 equals to 17m. We have to prove now this statement is true. So now this will be our LHS and we have to prove that this is divisible by 17. So what we'll do, Let's break this 2k plus 1 into 2k minus 1 into 5 square. So if you add 2k minus 1 plus 2, it will be 2k plus 1. Similarly here, 2 to the power 3k plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. So here it will be 7 into 25. So it is 25 into 7 into 5 to the power 2k minus 1, plus here it is 8 into 2 to the power 3k plus 1. Now in the next step, we'll convert this 25 to 17 plus 8 into 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 8 into 2 to the power 3k plus 1. So here we can expand it 17 into 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 8 into 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 8 into 2 to the power 3k plus 1. Here this term is already divisible by 17 because 17 रे आमे ताकू multiply करचु. 17 into 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus it is the 8 common नेचवा में, then we'll get 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 2 to the power 3k plus 1. Now look at this term and this term. आमे assume करथिलु pk is true. pk रे आमर a term कौन थिला? एटा pk ही थिला. This is divisible by 17 थिला. So this is 17 into 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 8 into आमे ताकू 17 m भी नहीं परिबा. आउ एठी जदि आमे 17 आउ 17 कॉमन नहीं गलु ताले हमर ब्रैकेट रे आसीबा 7 into 5 to the power 2k plus 1 plus 8m. The entire term ta hamara divisible by 17 rahila. So now we can say that pk plus 1 is true. So pk plus 1 is true whenever pk is true, and as per mathematical induction pn is true. Hence this statement is proved. Now look at the next question. 1 into 2 into 3 up to n whole cube is greater than 8 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube for n greater than 3. माने p1, p2, p3 हमें नहीं परिबानी एठी. Direct we have to start from p4. तो आम statement first होची what is our pn? pn is 1 into 2 into 3 up to n whole cube is greater than 8 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube when n is greater than 3. So हमें first को term check करिबा. First is our, let's check whether p4 is true or not. तो हमर LHS कौन है जिबा? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 whole cube. This equal to 24 cube equals to 13824. Now we have to check the RHS. RHS केते हमारा? ये इगला LHS. RHS होची 8 into 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. So this equals to 8 into 1 cube 1 plus 8, that means 9. 9 plus 27, that is 36 plus 4 cube 64. So 36 plus 64 equals to 100. So it will be 800, and we can very easily say that this term is greater than 800. So P4 is true. So after that we can assume that PK is true. So if pk is true, then 1 into 2 into 3 up to k whole q is greater than 8 into 1q plus 2q plus 3q up to kq. And now we have to prove that pk plus 1 is true. That is pk plus 1, 1 into 2 into 3 up to k into k plus 1. This whole q is greater than 8 into 1q plus 2q plus 3q up to kq plus k plus 1q. मु बारंबार के क्यू कौन पाई लिखुची ना के क्यू जाए हमारा टर्म हमको जाना अछि सेटा ट्रू बोली हमें जानिछु. Here the left hand side we can divide into two term. Up to this we can divide into one term and this is another term. Our a जो term रा value हमें जानिछु this equals to 8 into 1q plus 2q plus kq into हमारा बाकी कौन रहिला into k plus 1 रा whole q हे गला. और right hand side रे हमर कौन रहिला 8 1q plus 2q plus 3q up to kq. यदि गोटे टर्म आम एमती नबा प्लस आकु कर दबा 8 into k plus 1 whole q ताले हमें easily कहि परिबा if this is multiplied with k plus 1 whole q and if this is added with 8 into k plus 1 whole q, obviously this term will be greater. So here our pk plus 1 is true whenever pk is true. So we can easily say that our pn, that means this term pn is true as per mathematical induction. Now look at the next question. X to the power n minus y to the power n equals to x minus y into x n minus 1 plus x to the power n minus 2y. एमती है कि कंटिन्यू केते बनिया करिबा x into y to the power n minus 2 plus y to the power n minus 1 when x and y belongs to R. So this is our statement Pn. So first we have to prove P1 is true. P1 रे हमारा left hand side रे कौन रहिबा x to the power 1 minus y to the power 1, that means x minus y. Right hand side रे कौन रहिला x minus y into x to the power 0. The right hand side रे भी हमारा रहिगला x minus y. So x minus y equals to x minus y. So P1 is true. Then we'll assume our pk is true. pk is true, that means x to the power k minus y to the power k equals to x minus y into x to the power k minus 1 plus x to the power k minus 2 into y plus x into y to the power k minus 2 plus y to the power k minus 1. So this statement is true. Now we have to prove that pk plus 1 is true. That means we have to prove that x to the power k plus 1 minus y to the power k plus 1 equals to x minus y into x to the power k plus 1 minus 1, that means x to the power k. Similarly here it will be x to the power k minus 1 into y plus here it will be x into y to the power k plus 1 minus 2, that means k minus 1 plus y to the power k, that is k plus 1 minus 1. So we have to prove this statement is true. So if we'll take left hand side, that is x to the power k plus 1 minus y to the power k plus 1, we can convert this into x to the power k plus 1 minus x y to the power k plus x y to the power k minus y to the power k plus 1 by adding and subtracting x y to the power k. आउ जदि आमे फर्स्ट दीटा टर्म कंसीडर करिबा, आमे जदि x कॉमन नै जिबा ताले एठी रहबा x टू द पावर k आउ एठी रहबा y टू द पावर k. सिमिलरली एठी जदि आमे y टू द पावर k कॉमन नै जिबा हमरा x माइनस y आसीबा. सो दिस will be equal to x कॉमन नै गलो आमे x टू द पावर k minus y टू द पावर k प्लस एठी आमे y टू द पावर k कॉमन नै गलो x minus y. And now we know the value of x to the power k minus y to the power k. So we can put this value here. So it will be x into x minus y into x to the power k minus 1 plus x to the power k minus 2 into y plus x into y to the power k minus 2 plus y to the power k minus 1, and here plus y to the power k x minus y, and from first term and second term we can take x minus y common. By taking x minus y, what we'll get? X into x to the power k minus 1 plus x to the power k minus 2 y plus x y to the power k minus 2 plus y to the power k minus 1, and here what we'll get? Y to the power k plus y to the power k. And now if we'll multiply x with this, we'll get x minus y into x to the power k plus x to the power k minus 1 y plus x y to the power k minus 1 plus here y to the power k, which is equal to our this term right hand side. So we know that this equals to right hand side. So we know that pk plus 1 is true whenever pk is true. So we can easily say that pn is true as per mathematical induction. So we have solved different types of problems in today's class. आज सेशन को आमे एठी सारिबा. नेक्स्ट क्लास रे आमे पुनी आउ किछि चैप्टर पढिबा.